Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to get motion blur on CapCut. To get started, launch CapCut. Import your project to the timeline. Now press on Edit option, then scroll and choose Motion Blur. Now put the blur and blend both to 50. Press the button which says once and choose the number of photos you imported earlier. Then press the check. Now wait for a while and you are good to go. You have successfully done motion blur on CapCut.
If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.